In this video, I'll show you how to set up Tap to Pay on Cash App. First, you need to make sure your Cash App card is linked to your mobile wallet. That means Apple Wallet if you're using an iPhone or Google Wallet if you're on Android. To link it, open the Cash App on your phone, tap the card icon, and select Add to Apple Pay or Add to Google Pay. Follow the on-screen instructions until you see confirmation that your Cash App card has been successfully added to your wallet. Once your card is linked, using Tap Pay is super simple. When you're ready to make a payment in store, look for the contactless payment symbol on the payment terminal. It looks like a sideways Wi-Fi icon. Now, open your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet and make sure your Cash App card is selected. On an iPhone, double-click the side button to activate Apple Pay. On an Android phone, you may just need to unlock your device and hold it near the payment reader. Hold the back of your phone close to the terminal until you feel a vibration or hear a small beep. That's your phone confirming the payment has gone through successfully. You'll see a quick checkmark or confirmation message on your screen, and the payment amount will automatically be deducted from your Cash App balance or linked bank account. And that's it! You've just used Tap Pay with your Cash App card. It's fast, secure, and works anywhere you see the contactless payment logo.